Hey guys, welcome back to Cruise Rising Soul, also known as Jamal's Tube. I finally sold my Channa Marulioides Red Barito. He was my first ever red barito that I purchased because I have two, and among other Marus as well. I decided to sell him off because unfortunately, sorry whoever purchased it. Personally, he wasn't the best qualities of it. In terms of the bars, it was not complete. And then in terms of the flowering as well, I'm not sure if I did the process slightly too late, or I didn't do it in proper condition, or this particular red barito of mine probably did not have the genetics of it to have a lot of flowering. Though I loved him and I thought I didn't want to sell him, but I had to make space for a few of my Marus that are actually growing really big. Like this guy here. I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit more as well as about the yellow JAMBI. I just moved him inside and I'm going to show you the process from his 2.5 aquascaping tank towards this 4 feet tank. In regards of the yellow JAMBI and his 2.5 feet tank, initially I thought it was a good idea. Aesthetically, it looked nice. It looked like he belonged in the biotope. However, with Marus, they actually grow big. So within the first year, they can grow up to 12 inches, which is 30 centimeters. With that in mind, after they reach 30 centimeters, they stop growing longer and they start growing wider, really fatter. So it depends how much you start feeding them as well. In terms of the 2.5 feet aquascaping tank, because it had decorations, it had the driftwood, it somewhat obstructed the pathway. The total area for the yellow JAMBI be able to swim around. As a result, he wasn't really, I don't think he was enjoying it. I was moving a lot of tanks around and I sold my red barito. I thought then perhaps it was time to move my yellow JAMBI inside of here. My yellow JAMBI, I would say he looks much better, and in terms of his personality wise, he is much more fierce compared to the red barito that I had. I'm not sure if it's only, I noticed that the yellow ones, or the yellow variations, tend to be slightly more aggressive. And they slightly get longer, they can grow much bigger, faster compared to the red ones. Yeah, I just moved him today. It's been a few hours. I turned off the lights for a bit. Now he is out and I think he's hungry. I did show him the worm earlier. I'll show you a clip of me feeding him frog to see if he's fully accustomed, adapted to his new environment, which I think he is. Yeah, almost there. I'm gonna give it a week. It's just been a day, a few hours, and still, he's already out and not parking. That is a good sign. If you guys liked this kind of content and you enjoyed watching me making this video for you guys, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment down below, and share this video if you think someone else would benefit from it. And that is all for today. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Say bye-bye.